Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this fiery yellow, orange, and red look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. If you want to see how I created this look, continue watching. The primer I'm using today is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer just to conceal this area, because this is hard to reach when your eyes are done and you're trying to apply foundation. I'm using a Morphe G38 brush and just wetting it a little bit with some setting spray so it's easier to blend. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. I'll be setting the primer with the MAC Prep and Prime setting powder. Using the Royal & Langnickel Omnia Balm 18 detailing brush. I'm using the NYX Fire palette and dipping into that yellow shade over here. Now taking a small M411 brush, I'm going into this orange shade right over here, blending that. And a hiccup. There's gonna be a burp soon. There it is. I'm blending this right where the yellow stopped. With the same M411 brush, I'll be going into this red shade over here and applying that right over the orange. So the red is on and I'm going back in with that packing brush and the yellow and applying some more on it. I'm going to do a wing liner with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I have to do this off of camera because I have to get super close to the mirror, but I'll be back with both of my eyes done. I'm back and my eyes are done and I'm moving on to my face. Today I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation NY305. Now that my foundation is all blended in, I'm going in with the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in Fair. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and setting my under eyes, moving onto my eyebrows, and I will be using the MAC eyebrow pencil. I finished one brow. I'm going to do the other off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and my brows are done and it's time to brush away the excess powder using the Morphe R10 brush. It's time to bronze up the face and I'll be using the Morphe R7 and the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. I'll be using the IBY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette and I'll be going in with Contour 2, which is the shade in the middle. It's time to use some blush, so I'll be using the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. There's 3A, so I think it's Party. So cool, you know. time to highlight. Highlighting is legit my favorite part of doing my makeup. Today I'll be using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and this is one of my favorite highlighters. Please tell me you can see that. Oh my god. God, this highlighter is just amazing. Let me put more on, but going to highlight my brow bone, my cupid's bow, and my nose. And I'm going to finish my eyes, so I'll be working on my bottom lash line. Taking the M411 I used on my eye, dipping into the red. With the same brush, I am going into that orange shade now and applying it closer to the lash line. With the NYX Vivid Brights Liquid Liner in Vivid Halo. And I'm going to apply that right underneath the black liner at the end there. So the next step is mascara, and I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. On my bottom lashes, I'll be wearing the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Once I do that, I'll put on some lashes and some lipstick. So today I'll be using the Iikon lashes in Riri. They're very pretty. I am an affiliate with them, so if you do want to save some money at checkout, just use code Jcastromua. I'm going to apply these off camera because it'll take me like half an hour. So I'll be back once they're applied. My lashes are on and they're so pretty. Look at them. Oh my god. It's time to move on to lipstick, and today I'll be wearing the Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Sauvignon. Taking a Morphe M168 brush, I'm going into the Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This shit is going to shit. This look is going to shit. I'm going into this orange dish. Alright, okay. I'll be using that. I got the hiccups. I'll be using this orange shade in the corner. In the corner. Oh my god, why is this happening to me?